Hi, a lot of us want to start a business, and then business starts with an idea. So that idea we are in love with, and then we ask people, is this a good idea or not a good idea? This video is all about that, because when you share your idea with people, they say it's amazing, but then they ask, is there any market of that? Will the investor give you money for that? Will you get customers? And that time we also think, will people really pay for this idea or product or service? In this video, I'm going to exactly tell you how top companies brainstorm and get great ideas for their business, like Ola, like Paytm. You're going to understand all these things. It's a simple formula which is called METFG, METFG. I literally pivoted my business after knowing this formula, because a lot of people think just being innovative and coming up with something innovation, something new will actually get business, but that's so not true. Let's take an example of Kingfisher. Kingfisher Airlines, when it came in, it provided amazing luxury, but people were not ready for it. Did they enjoy it? Yes, everybody enjoyed it. I traveled in that. It was beautiful, the luxurious experience, but Indian passengers were not ready to pay for that. It was an innovation, which is lovely, but not a profitable business eventually. My name is Jitesh Manwani, I'm a business coach of coaches. In the last 4 years, I've helped more than 100 coaches go to 6 to 7 figure of monthly income using the power of abundant coaching system. What is the METFG formula? Business can happen only if your customers' life gets easier and they get what they want. So what do they want? 4 fundamentals. M, they want to make money or save money. E, they want to save energy. T, they want to save time. And FG is emotion. That means they want to feel good. Now let's pick up some industries, some companies which are making money focusing on this formula. These are unicorns. Let's talk about them one by one. Let's first talk about saving money. You know Dine Out? Dine Out helps you to save money on hotel reservations and you get restaurant discounts. Second is Zerodha. Zerodha helps you to cut the cost and actually almost zero cost in commission to buy stock. That's actually saving money. If there is one more company which is new, it's called OFB. It is just like Amazon for B2B business. Again, it is helping people, its customers, to save money. Boat, what did Boat do? Boat also did the same thing. They got top quality products at very low price. Ola, again, if you go to a rickshaw wala and the rickshaw wala is going to ask you 100 rupees, maybe you can get a Ola for 80 rupees and a car, not a rickshaw. So that's saving money. Second, let's talk about making money. That again comes in money. In the money category only, there's the second thing, and that is you help people to make money. Like for an example, mutual fund. For an example, real estate. For an example, business coaches. We help people to make money. After M is E. E for energy. Nobody wants to put too much energy to get results. So you save energy for people. That's called convenience. We're going to talk about this later. After money is E, that is energy. Everybody wants to save energy and get convenience. This is the game-changing thing which I want to really share with you today. Stay till the end. I'm going to tell you how whole India is moving towards this. I'm going to talk about this in the end with a lot of examples. Let's get to the next one, and that is T. After E was T. T is save time. Everybody wants to save time. For an example, let's take an example of a person who wants to lose weight or get a flatter belly, who's fat, obese. They have two options. One, go to a doctor and get a liposuction done, which will happen very fast and quickly. The second is go to a gym trainer and get fit. It will take some months. Do you see that? It takes a lot of time. In liposuction, it is very, very quick. Who can charge more? A doctor who does the liposuction, or a trainer who will ask him or her to put a lot of energy and time into this? You know the answer. It's the doctor who can charge more for the surgery. Why? Because people are ready to pay more if you can save their time and get similar results. Also, one more example is Paytm. If you remember, when Paytm came, it was a mobile recharging company. You went to Paytm to recharge your mobile phones. You don't have to go to the market and spend time to get a recharge, get the card, scratch the code and do the whole process. So Paytm is a huge company just because it started smart, and their idea was actually to save time for the consumer. Guys, if you're liking this video, go ahead and click the like button. Thank you for liking the video. Now let's get to E. That was the very interesting part which I actually skipped that time, because this is where I want to talk about. There was a time in my life as a business coach some 5-6 years back, I used to tell people not to focus their products or services to save energy for people, because in India, people are very price sensitive. they were that time. So what happened was we didn't want to focus on that and people wanted to save money. But now in 2024, 2023, the world is changing. The India One, we call it India One, a category of India where people are ready to pay money. That's a premium client. They are ready to pay money. The best example here I would take is Blinkit. Blinkit is quick commerce. You know that, right? Amazon delivers in 1 day and they say it quick. Blinkit delivers in 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and that's quick. Now, if you go and see a price of a 100 rupee product in Amazon, it's 100 rupees. But at Blinkit, it might be at 110. They are charging that premium, and today India One is ready to pay that premium, and that's why Blinkit has become profitable. The real niche or the real game right now, all of you, if you're trying to start a startup or trying to do something, please bring in something where energy is saved for people. It becomes more convenient. One more example I would like to give here is a Bangalore-based startup called Chauffeur. They have some amazing taxis. I was just in Bangalore. We did our Profit Pro Max event, super successful, went for 2 days. So there we saw a cab called Chauffeur. It was e-cars, electric cars, but the convenience was way higher. The experience was way better. Please understand, guys, energy is the game right now. And obviously, FG is a part of it. FG is feel good. You go to movies, you don't save time, you don't save energy, you don't save money either, you spend, but you feel good. It's an emotional thing. All the luxurious brands are based on FG is making people feel good. Spa is nothing but making feel good. But here, the game is all about energy. Like in my business, what I've done is I have taken the learnings from this and put it into my business so that I can make my business and my offer irresistible. In our alpha level coaching program, where we help coaches and consultants, basically knowledge business owners, to grow their business, what I've done is I've incorporated such things which actually puts them out of the technology so that they can focus on their core skill, that is coaching and selling basically. And they learn, because coach is nothing but a teacher plus entrepreneur. So they are just focusing on that, and the technical part is basically taken by us, and that is we do the whole setup. Even JMac, my company, is creating convenience for alphas who want to start and scale their coaching business but want to stay away from the technical side and focus on their core skill, that is their subject, and learn selling, because coach is nothing but a teacher and an entrepreneur. So we focus on that, and my team literally helps them with the landing pages, ads, video production, shoot, editing. Everything is taken care just so that they can focus on their core skill. If you think you would like to monetize your knowledge and we could be your coaching partners, go ahead. Down below is a description below. You can click on the link. It's an alpha application form and apply for the alpha level. Let's meet up in a one-to-one call and understand, is this the right thing for you? Thank you. See you inside.